In this video, we are going to be learning how to construct an octagon with ease, from drawing our circles to carving our arcs. This is Brain Boost, and this is how to construct an octagon. So firstly, we are going to start by bringing out our ruler. And for the purpose of this video, since our paper won't be big enough, we are going to be using 3 cm. But it matters on the cm they tell you to use. I rule the line and I bisect the line. After this, we rule a straight line up. I'll make it long. And we name here points AB, and here points CD. So we also name this middle point points O, and then we place our pin at point O, open to point A, and draw half arc touching our perpendicular line. Open to point A again and draw another arc. We name here points EF. Then we place our pin on point F and open to point A. Then we draw a circle touching points A and B. Not a complete circle, just touching points A and B. Then now we place our compass on point A and get the length from A to B. When we've gotten that, we look our compass. Then we take to point B and arc and keep on arcing. Now that I've gotten here, you can see it also touches this point A. So now we rule our lines touching all these points. We don't make it touch here, we just connect directly to this point. Then we name all these places points G, H, I, J, K, L. So now, as you can see, we have an 8-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the end of our octagon. I hope it was helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So